Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here today to share my plans for my August kits. I'm still in that Recollections planner. I'm using that through the end of 2022, so still using kind of the same style kits. So for the first week, which is August 1st through the 7th, this kit might look familiar to you. I actually had this planned for July. It's the Lovely Planner Summer Gnomes kit, but we ended up planning a trip for July, so I changed around some of my kits, and I'm not going to end up using this one in July. So I am moving it into August because I still think it's super cute and I still want to use it. So this is going to be for the first week of August. For the second week, which is August 8th through the 14th, I'm using this kit by Chasing Chels. It's called Tiana, so Princess and the Frog themed. I just think that the colors feel very August-like. So here's the full boxes. Sorry if you can hear my cat in the background. He's being weird. Here's some like functional and deco. I really like how neon yellow-green that color is. I think that's going to be great for summer for sure, and I definitely get summer vibes. Here is the bottom washi, date covers, and a full box. If you use like a quote sticker or something, you can use this box instead. A bunch of boxes and some deco, more boxes and glitter headers, and then here's the Fashion Girls, a couple more full boxes and a couple of bow checklists. So definitely tons of boxes. I think that's 9, 10, 11 full boxes plus the 2 girls. So I might end up having a bunch of leftovers that I can use for a future spread as well. Might also simplify my sidebar to kind of accommodate some of this. We'll see how that goes. But that's my plan for the second week. For the third week, which is August 9th through the 21st, I'm using this kit from Pretty Planner Principles. It's a Pinterest page. That's where she posts everything. This one is called Retro, but I think it's just so cute. Still that kind of summery vibes, but in a more pastel kind of way, which I think is a lot of fun, and I'm excited to use this. I will cut one of these full boxes into headers, maybe 2, because I don't actually need all of these to be things, and then I can cut down these full box checklists so they actually fit, pull in a bunch of things from my stash so that I can kind of use a bunch of that stuff as well, but I'm excited to use that kit. And then the last week of August, or the last full week of August, which is August 22nd through the 29th, I'm going to use this kit from Plannerology Studio, which I think is called Llama Love, if I remember correctly. It'll be down in the description so that you can see that. This is a 1-page mini kit. That's one of the freebies on her website. Again, super summery colors. I feel like this gives you summer vibes for sure, even if it'll be winter time in Peru, but that's fine. I like the vibes. I'm excited for it, and I just want to use like one last super summery kit before I start going into more anytime and start a fall kit for September. So this is my plans for the month of August. Let me know down below if you've used any of these kits or if you're excited for me to use any of these kits. Also, let me know what your kit plans are and if there's any shops that you think I should definitely check out to find some kits for some future months. I don't need a ton of kits because I don't know what's going to happen for 2023 with my planning, but there's definitely a few that I'll probably need to add in to help there. But I think that's all for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see in progress and finished spreads, including the ones using these kits. I tag all the shops, show you bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, things like that. And until next time, bye.